In this guide, you will learn how to turn off notifications on your Verizon device. Follow these simple steps to manage your notification settings effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your Verizon device. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down and find the Notifications option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to open the notification settings for your device. Step 3. Select App Notifications. In the Notifications menu, you will see a list of apps. Choose the app for which you want to turn off notifications. This will open the notification settings specific to the app. Step 4. Disable Notifications. Once you are in the app's notification settings, look for a toggle switch or checkbox that says Allow Notifications. Turn this off to disable notifications for the app. Step 5. Repeat for other apps. If you want to turn off notifications for additional apps, go back to the list of apps in the notifications menu and repeat steps 3 and 4 for each app. By following these steps, you can easily manage and turn off notifications on your Verizon device. Enjoy a quieter experience without unwanted interruptions.